Should the capstone keyword be the home page? If you make the capstone keyword your home page, then you will be forced to monetize your home page. And if you are planning to build an authority site that will continue to grow over time, then you would want to think twice about monetizing the home page. If your home page is best watches for men and you build your entire site around this keyword, it will be, at best, a small niche site with a very limited potential for growth. You will be unable to add another page about best watches for women and create more pages to support it, as the site is about men's watches. Once your site reaches a certain size, you will not be able to easily add more money pages over time. Instead of making the capstone keyword your home page, you could make it an inner page, as shown in this diagram here. And your home page could be about best watches or guide to choosing watches or something like that. That way, you will have a lot more room for growth. Once you have added a lot of good content about men's watches, you could then add content about women's watches, kids' watches, and so on. If you choose to take this route, this is how your site structure may look like. It's always a good idea to think things like these through before you start working on your site. You would want to have at least a skeletal blueprint ready before you start working on the site, and you will have a much easier time later on. Let's now look at some thumb rules you would want to follow while building the silo for the combo site. A silo page should not have any unnecessary links. These silo pages need not have any links to external sites. You want to preserve link juice. Each silo page must link to at least one other page. These silo pages should not link to any of the orange pages. The capstone keyword page will need to link to at least one silo page. So this is how the linking structure would look like. The capstone keyword links to one silo page. Each silo page in the structure links to just one other silo page, and the last silo page links back to the capstone keyword page. And none of the silo pages link to any of the orange pages. Let's now see how to implement this in WordPress.